How are you, my people? How on a day? I hope on a day do well. Now this one another class we want do. And I know say this time now new series, new classes now we don't dey get, and we give am name if I remember. And the name wey we give these new classes them now we say na MTH102. And inside this MTH102, wetin we wan really do, the name now, what we wan really do now, to learn calculus. Na the thing wey we talk. Now, if una remember, in the other class dem for the other class dem wey we don learn, una fit remember say we don really know wetin function be. Inside that one, you know say for inside function, things dem wey dem dey call domain numbers dem dey, and other things dem wey dem dey call range dey. Because we say function na something wey dey take domain number into himself, then e go come process am, e go come bring out the range number dem. And we don also learn how we use a plot graph with those two things. Now, because of the way the thing dem dey mingle, where when this one don take the domain number dem, come bring out answer, the way dem dey use do, the way the thing dey use bring them out, they also dey make us dey do. How these people dem dey use do am? The way this one use mingle, e be like na injective mapping o. The way this one use mingle, e be like this one na surjective o. Or the way this one use happen, e be like na bijective. All those ones we don learn am. We no stop there. Now from the domain and the range variables, una also see say we don learn how to use plot graph. When one mathematics don come, we go come know whether the thing na function. After when we don know when the thing na function, we come know how the thing dey behave. After when we plot the graph, all those ones we don learn. We no also stop there. And I remember say anytime we will put all this mathematics formula them for board, you know say we dey also dey write the domain of that very function wey we dey give. Now, what of cases dem wey domain no dey? How we go do? All those ones we don learn am, how to find the domain. And from there, we don also find the range. Where we say the domain, how you go do that? You go just assume say the domain na the entire all the things wey dey inside the real number set. Then you go come do, but make sure say the number dem wey go dey inside no be something wey go give us a case wey go be undefined, like something dey up, another one dey down, the other one go come be zero. That kind of thing now no dey, that kind of thing no dey. We no need that kind of number. Then we no also need a number wey go come carry us go a complex number, because the thing wey we dey interested in na just the real number set. All those ones we don learn. And if una fit remember, we don also learn say if function just dey there, if maybe you dey waka, you open book, you come see one graph. Now this graph wey dey there, the graph na function, how you go use know? Because we don tell una say every function wey we get na relation. Every function na relation, but no be every relation be function. We don learn. So this thing wey you dey see, this graph wey you dey see, the thing na function, how you go use know? We say we fit use the vertical line test, use do all those ones. How you go use do? Allow the one vertical line wey one line wey stand straight, make it pass on the graph. And as e dey pass, if e dey touch the graph only in one place at every given time, e mean say that thing na function. But if e dey touch the graph for two places, that one no be function. All those ones we don learn. Now today, wetin we go learn today na algebraic combination of functions. Algebraic combination of functions. This one now, wetin this one mean? Say we go fit get plenty function o. One function here, another function here, another function, plenty or two. Then how we go use dey bring them together? Now, if you wan bring things together, you fit bring them by adding them, or you fit bring them by subtracting them, or you fit bring them by multiplying them, or you can also divide them. All dis one na different ways wey we fit use bring these functions together. So we wan learn dat kind thing for dis place. Now, the first thing wey we go look at now na how to add them. Make we see. Now, make e be say we get one function, dem call am f of x. We get another function, say g of x. Say we get another function, say h of x. Say all these ones wey dey, we fit add them, we fit subtract them. We fit add them, we fit subtract them. Now, if you wan add this one, how the thing dey be? Make I tell una how the thing dey be. For the book or for the question wey dem go ask una, dem go say make you find f plus g all of x. Na so dem go write am. When dem write am like this thing wey you see here mean say you fit also write am as f of x, this same thing, and g of x. So anytime you see this kind of thing, know say you go fit write am this. Make una know say we dey talk about wetin we dey learn here now, how to add them. Addition of functions. Na im we dey look at now. How to add them. Na im we dey look. So if you dem ask you this kind of question, say you fit write am like this. Meaning say if dem come ask you this kind of question, h plus g all of x, mean say you fit also write this one as h of x plus g of x. This one, you fit also write am like that, based on wetin I don write first. Now, what of if dem come say dem get interest for plenty number, no be only two, one of the thing dey more than two, we go fit still add all of them. We fit still add all of them. How you wan use add that one? Like if dem come tell you say make e be f plus h plus g all of x, this kind thing wey the thing don be more than two, how you go use that? This thing na still the same thing, na still the same thing. You go on wetin you go just do na you go just say f of x plus h of x plus g of x. Na im be the thing. They don finish. You see say all these things now dey very simple. Now make we consider some example so that we go really see how the thing dey be. Now if we come say we get interest, make our f of x be something like say 2x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 1. Make it be this kind of thing. Then if we come say make h of x be something like x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 minus 5. This kind of thing. And if we come say make our g of x be something like say make you say it be x raised to power 2 plus 2, this kind of thing. Now dem come ask you the question, say make you now find this one, find this one. Dem come say make you find this one. Find f plus g all of x. Dem come say make you find this one. Wetin you go come do? If dem give you this kind of thing, say make you come find am, E dey simple. See wetin I don tell una. I say if something dey like this thing wey dey, you fit still write am like this. Meaning say this one, this one dey the same thing as f of x plus g of x. And you know say f of x, dey write am here. F of x means this one, and g of x means this one. Meaning say this one, you fit write am as 2x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 for the f of x. Then plus for the g of x, we get x raised to the power 2 plus 2. This kind of thing. You understand as e be? So the thing dey very simple for us to do. Now wetin you go just do now na to add them up. Make una remember, e get one law wey dey. The law wey dey na say any sign wey dey in front of a number, say e dey affect that number only. Now, like this one wey dey here now, this minus wey dey here now, no get business with this one, but e get business with only this one. So this plus wey dey here get business no be only with this one, with all of them, because this one now e dey inside bracket. E just dey like you dey carry sand, dey pour people or water, pour people wey dey inside one house. The water go touch only one person? No, e go touch all of them wey dey inside, because dem dey inside one place. So now you see say this one now dey like inside house. So this plus now, this one na water. If you use am pour, e go touch up. So this one now no go touch only this one, e go touch all of them. Na so e be. Now if plus come here, e no make any difference. If this one come here, e no make any difference. So if you wan add them up, na to just collect like terms. The things dem wey resemble, you like them, you collect them. So first of all, you first bring them out. If you bring them out, you go get this one for here, this one for here, this one for here. Now you open this side up to, if you allow this one come, now say the same thing, e no change. So this one you go get this, and this one you go get this. Now when you don write am like this, you go come now open am up. You go now, collect those things dem wey resemble. Now if you look, this one x get 2 for up. This one sef x get 2 for up. Na them big pass. The things dem wey get 2 for up, na them big pass. So you go carry them first. When you add them, this one will give you 3x squared. Now the other one, now when x dey 1 dey here, another one no dey. So you go bring this one wey only him dey. Now after this one, the other one, the one we never collect, na this one and this one. This one, then they call them constants. Here na plus 1, here na plus 2. So if you come bring them together, you go get 3. So we dey say f of x plus g of x is equal to this one. So you now see say this one, when we say we wan combine them, to combine them by adding them, bringing them together, say e dey very simple. Now make we look this other case where we say h plus g of x. Make we see how that one go be. You see say e resemble this one, but make we do it for those people wey maybe they never understand. Maybe if we do that one, they go understand. Now if our interest now to find this one, we don't say this thing dey the same thing as h of x plus g of x. Now so we talk. Now wetin be our h of x as we do for the up case? Our h of x na x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 5. Na im be our h of x plus g of x. G of x na this other one wey dey down wey be x raised to the power 2 plus 2. That's what we have. Now as we do for the other one, allow this one go inside, then open everything up. If you open them up this side, you go get x raised to the power 3. Here na x raised to the power 2. Here na minus 5. If you open this one sef dey the same thing. E no change because na plus dey. This one sef na plus. Now the next thing wey we wan do na to collect those things dem wey resemble as we do for up. If we collect them, you see say the x, the one wey dey for up, the biggest one na 3. This one wey dey here, x raised to the power 3. Then this other one, we get 1 here, we get another one here. So if you bring these two together, we get 2 of them. We get 2 of them. Then the next one wey dey na here na constant dey, but na minus 5. This one na plus 2. So if you bring them, like if they owe somebody 5 naira, you can't get 2 naira. And one law waiting for mathematics now, if the owe person, even if the money never complete, pay the one way you get, that's what they pay. So this one, if they owe 5 naira, you can't owe 2 naira. If you pay, how much you they owe? You they see owe 3 naira. And the thing with they. So what we they try to talk, we say h of x plus g of x. Say this one now you go be the answer. Now so it will also be, even if the things the way you want add plenty. If the things the way you want add plenty, like this one where we get. Now make we try add them to see whether the thing they it go easy for us. But me, I know say the thing easy well. Me, I know say the thing easy well. Now make we look. We don't already say when this one dey, say e fit right and like this. Now wetin be our f of x? For up, if you look, our f of x now 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now it be our f of x. Now plus h of x. Wetin be our h of x? Our h of x now x raised over 3 plus x raised over 2 minus 5. Now it be our h of x. Then our g of x now x raised over 2 plus 2. Now we get. Now wetin we go just do now to open the bracket, then collect those things that we resemble. If we want to do so, this first one will bring her out so that we get this one. This one and plus dey the front, so it na still the same thing. So you just bring them out. If you bring them out, you go just get this one. This one too na plus dey the front, so nothing dey change, but so you bring them out. That's the thing where we get. Now, when you don't bring them out finish, now you begin to collect those things that we resemble. But start with the one way get the biggest power for up. Like this one now, the biggest one now this one. No be this one though. Now this one now be the biggest one. So now here we go first collect. Now after this one, now only this one they so we don't collect it. Now after this one, now which one they? This one, and this one. Now in day. So make we collect those one. This one, and this one. Now here now 2 day. 2 of them day. Here 1 day. So 3. Here another 1 day. So now 4 of them day. 4x squared 9 days. Now after this one, the next one we day now when the power now only 1 day. And here now minus 3, 9 day here. Another 1 day again. Another one no day. So make we bring only that one now right. After this one, which one day again? The things that we will never collect now this one and this one. And if you bring them together, okay, 1 day for here. This one and this one will give you 3. Then if you owe 5 now, if you pay, the answer will remain now only 2 where you dey owe. So wetin we dey talk be say when you do this one, the answer where you go get now this one. So when you say make you begin to add functions, that one na simple potopoto something where you fit do. Wey no go break your head. This one no be something wey you go do, you go dey think left, right, and center. You no go think too much. Make I give una one small work. Make una, when una don go house, make una go do am. When una don go house, make una go think am by una self to see whether wetin I talk here una understand am well. Now, wetin I wan give una, make una try by una self now. Say make you find f of g plus g all of x, where f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. Then g of x is equal to 7x squared plus 12x minus 5. Make you find this one. This one na assignment wey I dey give una. Make una do am to see whether una understand wetin we don dey do. Now the next thing wey I wan talk na how to subtract, how we wan use minus these functions, and how we go use do minus for these functions. That one we dey call am subtraction of functions. That's what we dey call am subtraction of functions. We go still use these ones dem wey we get, make we no write different thing again, so that we no dey write plenty thing. Now, if we wan really use this one wey we don use before, when we dey do that of the addition, how the subtraction own come be na? The subtraction own na something wey also dey like the one for the addition. Only say this time now, the sign don change. For the addition, una know say na plus we bin dey use. Now for the subtraction, na minus we go use. Now if na minus, then how e go be? See the way e go be. If we say make f minus g all of x, if you get this kind of thing, like the other one, we dey say this one you fit write am as f of x minus g of x. And I see say the thing resemble, the only thing wey don change here now, before na plus, now na minus, na im dey. So if you get h minus g all of x, say this one still dey the same thing as h of x minus g of x. What of if we say make we put the 3 as we been think for the other one? We fit now say f minus g minus h minus g all of x. Say this one dey the same thing as f of x minus h of x minus g of x. Say this one na so e be. Say this one na so e be. Now if na so e be, oya make we do one by one. Make we do one by follow for this other side to really demonstrate wetin we dey talk. Now, if first of all we say we get interest for this, find f minus g all of x, where these ones na im dem come give us, how we go come do? Already we don, if you remember, we don already talk say if e dey like this, e dey, you go fit write am like this. Meaning this one we fit write am as f of x minus g of x. But you know say f of x na this one, g of x na this one. So this one we fit still write as 2x2 minus 3x plus 1 for the f of x, then minus g of x, where we get x squared plus 2, na im we come get. Now remember, in the other one wey we been do, you know say na minus been dey for this place, but now, I mean na plus been dey, but now na minus. And remember say the sign wey dey in front of a number, say e dey affect that one only. Now this one now na minus dey, so this minus now dey affect only this one, e dey affect everything wey dey inside. As I been talk the other time, if people dey inside house, you pour them water, wetin happen? The water go touch only one person. You no go touch only one, you go touch all of them because they dey inside the place. So this one dey inside this place, so this minus now dey get business with all of them. So you go first open the bracket them, bring the things them out. This side now, you go just bring the things out because you no get anything to solve for here. So we get 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now this one, because of this minus, if this one come here, this one will be minus x squared. If this one come here, you go come make this one minus 2. Now so it come be. Now once you don't open the bracket, the next thing you go do now to collect those ones that way resemble. Collect the things that way resemble. Now if you dey collect the things that way resemble, wetin how you go come be? I say make you always dey collect the ones that way the power here big pass. Now for here, the one wey big pass na 2. And we get 2 of them here. And we get here now my minus 1 na im dey here. So if you do 2 minus 1, you go come get only 1 x squared for here. Then the other one na this one. And we don't get another one we get only x, not only this one. So we just bring this one. Then the other things that will remain are this one and this one. But this one will get 1 minus 2. You get 1 naira, you owe 2 naira. If you pay, you will see the owe 1 naira. Now this one now is the answer. Even when you don't do f of x minus g of x. And the thing where you go get. And the thing where you go get. Now the next one wey I wan also do, as I say, make una do this one o, make una do that one, because una fit do am, because the thing dey simple na, see wetin I do. But some go say, no, me I never understand wetin you dey talk, so make you do am. Then if na so, make I do this one too, make so that una go really understand wetin I dey try to talk. Make I also do this one. And if I wan do that one, then meaning say I go just say this one make it be h minus g of x. If na so e be, e dey like the other one wey we don do, where we get h of x minus g of x. And una know say h of x na im be this one, where we get x3 plus x2 minus 5 minus g of x, wey we get x squared plus 2. Na so e dey. Now, if this one na so, wetin we go come do? You go see say, as I been talk, na to carry this one, put inside this one, so that we go open the bracket them first. Now, if I wan do so, I will bring this one this side wey nothing reach am. Then this one touch this one, you go get x squared. This one touch this one, you go come get minus 2. Then wetin I go come do? Begin to collect the things the way resemble. But make you always dey start with the one way the power big. Here the power na way big pass na 3. So we get x raised to power 3. The other one na 2. And we get 2 of them. This one na plus 1. This one na minus 1. So this and this one don't go. 1 minus 1 don't go. The next thing will remain na this one and this one. And if this one na minus 5, this one na minus 2. If you bring them together, like you dey owe 5 naira, you dey owe 2 naira, how much you dey owe? Money wey dey owe na 7 naira. So wetin this one na im be the answer. So wetin we dey talk be say h of x minus g of x. Na this kind answer you get. You go see say this one now, na im come even potopoto pass for the ones that we don do. Now, what of this one wey more than 2 functions dey wey we write for here? This one we fit still do am? Yes, we fit still do am. Make we do am. Make we see how this one also be. Make we do am how to see how this one also be. Now you don already see say this one we just say we fit write am like this. Meaning here na f of x. Wetin be f of x? F of x na 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Na im be the f of x. Then we get minus h of x. H of x na wetin? X raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 5. Na im be h of x. Another minus dey again, minus g of x. And g of x na x raised to the power 2 plus 2. Na im be g of x. So you don see say this one na this one na im be this one na im be this. Based on these ones the way they write for here. Now, wetin I wan do now na to open the bracket as I don do for that time wey we dey consider the 2 functions. So I go now bring this one, nothing we go do here, we just bring them out. If we bring them out, we get 2x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 for here. But this one, you see, say this minus, they affect inside this house here. Wey dey here, no be this side though, inside this house. So if you allow this one come here, you will get minus x raised to the power 3. This one come here, you will get minus x raised to the power 2. If this one come here, minus times minus will give you plus 5. Now this other side too, this one come here, it will give you minus x raised to the power 2. This one come here, minus 2. Now you get. Now when you don't open the bracket, the next thing we go do now is to collect those ones that we resemble. They will have collection of like terms. Make we collect the things that we resemble. Now when you collect them, I don't tell them, I say, make we start the ones that way the power, now you big pass. Now the thing where the power big pass, now this one with it, and it be minus. Don't be only x, so you know, say the sign, the sign where they in front of a number, say they do business, you get business with that number. So this one now and this one, I they together. So this one, that's what it did. Then after this one, which one they again? This one, and this one. Now, but this one, look at it. This one now, 2 now in there for here, 2x squared. Here now 1x squared, but now minus. Here now 1x squared. So if you add these two, you get minus 2x squared. So this one and this one don't go. The next one we did now, not only 1x. And the 1x things are not only one day. So we'll go bring also that one, make it come relax for here. Then after that one x, the next one that we will never collect now the constants then. So this one and this one will give you 6. Now 6 minus 2 will give you plus 4. So this one now na im be the answer wey we get. This one na im be the answer wey we get when you do the minus for the 3 things. That's one na im be the answer wey we get. Now this one sef una see say this one sef simple well well. This one sef simple well well. So the next one wey I wan do now, make we see how we wan use multiply different function dem. Dem say the product of functions. If how we wan use multiply 2 or 3 or plenty function, how we go use multiply dem? Na im we go talk now. So wetin we wan talk now again na how to multiply. How to use multiply functions. Na im we wan talk now. Now make we still look these ones dem wey dey for our hand. If we look these ones dem wey dey for our hand, you see say we fit still do this multiplication wey we dey talk about. We fit still do the multiplication wey we dey talk about. Now if we wan multiply dem, how we go come use do am now wey we go understand this one how this one come be. Make I tell una, make I show una how we dey do am. Now if we get maybe f, even if you write g sef no problem o, g then times f the way we dey write am of x. Then we dey say this one you fit write am as g of x times f of x. Now sometimes if you fit no see am like this, you fit still write this thing as g f of x. Say this one e still dey the same thing as g of x, f of x. Say all of them na the same thing. Say e no make any difference. So if you see this kind of thing, how you wan do am? You fit still do the same thing. Now what of some people fit ask am, our sir, what of if the function dem dey more than 2? This one no dey pass 2? This one fit pass 2, e fit be 4 sef, you no mean. Any number wey dey, you go still write the same thing. Now wetin I dey mean now, like if you get maybe f, h and g, all this one now dey multiply this. Or let me say g, f and h. If all of them, anyhow you wan use write am, anywhere they wan dey, that one no be problem. Now if you get this one, say this one sef, say na the same thing as these other ones dem wey we dey write. This one I just put the g because I don dey put g. All the other time na f I dey use. Na make I say make I use the g for this one now. So this one na so e be. This one na so e go also be. This one na so e go also be. So if this thing dey like this, then if we come say the f, h and g na these ones, how e go come be? Now the next thing wey we wan do now na to put am inside that thing, make we really enjoy how the thing go be. Now see am now, see wetin we wan do. Make we consider this one wey dey for here, wey be g f of x. We say this one you fit write am as g of x, f of x. Now g of x na im be this one, wey be x squared plus 2. And f of x na im be this upper side wey we get x minus 3x plus 1. So wetin you go just do na to open the bracket, make you times them. So if you want times them, you go say this one times this, you go get 2x raised to power 4. This one times this, you go get minus 3x raised to power 3. This one times this, you get plus x squared. This one times this go give you plus 4x squared. This one times this go give you minus 6x. And this one times this go give you plus 2. Now when you don't open it like this, the next thing wey you go do na to collect like terms. Now if you wan collect like terms, wetin you go come do? This one, I say consider the one wey the power big pass. This one, the one wey power big pass na 4. So you say 2x raised to power 4. Now the other one wey dey na 3, and na only this one dey. So you say minus 3x raised to power 3. Now when you come to 2, then dey 2. Here na 1 dey, here na 4 dem dey. So if you add them, you get plus 5x raised to power 2. Here, x, the one wey get x na only 1, and that's minus 6. Then the other one na constant, na only 2. So when you times this one, the answer wey you go get na this one. Na him be the answer. Now, this one now, make we now think whether we go fit do this one. Yes, if you do this one, if you do that one, see am now, see am. If we get G, F, and H, we don say this one dey the same thing as G of x, F of x, H of x. You go carry this one times then times this one. But if you look now, this one, we don already times am, and na im be this one. So wetin we go just do na potopoto, we go just carry this one wey be this side multiply with this one. So that when at the top we go just take this one, 2x raised to power 4 minus 3x3 plus 5x raised to power 2 minus 6x plus 2 wey be this 2 times this one wey we never put, wey be this other side, wey we get x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 minus 5. Now this one, I need to open this one again. I don't need to open am. We fit do am. If you carry this one times this one, wetin you go just get na 2x, the power go increase, go be 7. If you use this one times this one, you go get plus 2x plus 6. This and this go make am 6. If you times this and that one, you go come get minus 10x raised to power 4. Now if you use this one times this one, you go get this one and this one, you go get minus 3x raised to power 9, no, x raised to power 6, x raised to power 6. If you use this one to times this one, you go get minus 3x raised to power 5. If you use this one to times this one, you go get plus 15x raised to power 3. That's so it be. Now, if you use this one to times this one, you go get plus x raised to power, plus 5 x raised to power 5. If you use this one to times this one, you go get plus 5 x raised to power 4. If you use this one to times this one, you go get minus 25 x raised to power 2. Now here you get. Now these ones then don't remain to use times this one. If those ones don't remain, make I just go for this line so that we no go make mistake. If I use this one times this one, I go get minus 6x raised to power this one times this one, I will get x raised to power 4. If I use this one times this one, I will get minus 6x raised to power 3. If I use this one times this one, I will get plus 6 times 5 na 30. 30x na I go get. If I use this one times this one, I will get plus 2x raised to power 3. This and this will give me plus 2x raised to power 2. This and this will give me minus 10. Now the next thing we want to do Now to collect like terms. We fit collect like terms? Yes, we fit collect like terms. If we wan collect like terms, I don say make we collect the ones dem wey the power big pass. So if you look now, this one na this one wey the power big pass, and that one na 2x raised to power 7. We don collect am. 2x raised to power 7. The other one na 6. The 6 own dem, how many dem be? One dey for here, one dey for here. All the other one no 6 dey. So here na 2 dey, here na minus 3 dey. So if you collect am, you go get only minus x raised to power 6. Minus x raised to power 6. Na im you get. Now the other one wey dey na 5. 5 dey here, e dey here, and e no dey on that place again. So this one na minus 3, then this one na plus 5. So if you do this one, you go get 2x raised to power 5 plus 2x raised to power 5. The other one wey we wan do now, that is 5 own sef don go. Now the other one we wan do now na 4. 4, here we get minus 10. Here we get minus 10. Here we get 5. So if you minus am, you will get minus 5. Minus 5. Here we get minus 6. So if you add them again, you get minus 11. Minus 11, na im dey. Minus 11, na im dey. Minus 11x raised to power 4, na im dey. So which one don remain? We dey go for 3, the one wey dey for 3. 3 here, 15 dey. 15 dey. Here, the 15 na plus. Here now, we come get minus 6. So if you put this one, 15 minus 6, the answer will be 9. 15 minus 6, the answer will be 9. If you don't come here, 2 come there again. So this one sef will give you 11. We get plus 11x raised to power 3. 3 whole sef don go. 3 whole sef don go. So wetin don remain? 2 whole. 2 here and 25 dey. 25. The 25 na minus. Then here we come get plus 2. So if you comot am, you get 23, but na minus go be. Minus 23x raised to power 3. The 2 whole sef we don collect am. The other one wey dey now, wey don remain, na the one wey dey with x, and that one only 1. And we get 30x. The other thing wey dey na the constant. The constant, all these ones we don collect. All these ones we don collect. The only one wey remain na minus 10. So wetin we dey mean be say, if we times all these 3 together, wey we get here, say that one now, na im go be the answer based on this thing wey we get for here. You see, say this one sef dey very simple. Only say e dey like say a long small, but e no long. Na something wey we fit do, and sharparly we go finish. The next thing wey I wan briefly talk na division of functions. Division of functions. The other one I wan talk na division of functions. Division of functions. Division of functions. Now, in division of function, how this one be? This one sef dey like the other one, where one go dey for up, one go dey for down. The up one na numerator, the down one na the denominator. How this one be? See am na, this one over this. Na so we dey write am. If you write am like this, we dey say this one you fit still write am as f of x all over g of x. This one sef dey very simple. This one sef dey very simple. Now make I give you few examples make you see how this one be. Because this one you fit do am. If we get say f of x na if we get say f of x na 2x raised over 2 minus 3x minus 1, then we get g of x as 5x plus 1. Then if you say make you find this one, then e just dey simple. This one dey the same thing as just 2x raised over 2 minus 3x minus 1. Everything over 5x plus 1. And so, say make you keep am. Now, if I come give you another one, say make f of x be equal to say x squared plus 3x plus 2, and make h of x be equal to x plus 2, and say make you come find, make you find f of h, f over a all of x, meaning say this one, I don't say this one, you feel like if they say make you find this one, you feel like as f of x all over h of x. Now so I thought. And your f of x, now it be the one waiting for up, where you get this one plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 2. Now, if you leave this one like this, the thing no correct, because the upside you fit factorize them, and if you factorize them, you go fit simplify the thing, you go fit reduce them, make it go down well. You fit just do something. If you leave that one like that, you know to correct. So what you go come do? If you factorize this one, you go get x plus 2 into x plus 1. This thing and this thing are the same, all over x plus 2. And when you look at the same, it be the same. If you use this one times this one, now x squared. If you use this one times this one, now 1x. If you use this one times this one, 2x. So that 1x plus the 2x will give you 3x, which is this one. If you use this one times this one, you'll come get this one. So this one and this one are the same thing. So we don't learn this in them from one video like that. One of the classes them like that before. So this one is simple. So when it don't be like this, you see say this one and this one fit go. And you go just, waiting go just remain at x plus 1. So if they give you this kind of thing, the answer, that's so it will be. That's so it will be. Now what I make I can't give you another one, make you see. If I say g of x is equal to, if g of x is equal to x plus 3, then say make it be p of x. Make it, that one can be x squared minus 9. Now, the question is find g over p, all of x. If they say make you find this, note say this one, we don't say you feel still write them as g of x all over p of x. You feel write them like that. And your g of x now x plus 3, and your p of x now x squared minus 9. But if you leave this thing like this, I will say you know correct. You know correct because you feel still rewrite this thing in a way where you go simplify this thing further. How? This one still dey as x plus 3, while the under dey as x plus 3 into x minus 3. Where this times this will give you this one. This time this will give you minus 3x. This time this will give you plus 3x. So the minus and the plus 3x don't go. This and this will now give us 9. So this thing did the same thing as this. Now if not so, then this one and this one is off. And waiting will remain now just 1 all over x minus 3. 9 remain. So you go see say the division of itself dey very simple. The division of itself dey very simple. Now waiting I will just quickly talk now. Now, different special kinds of functions. There are also special kinds of functions where we fit do. Special kinds of functions where we fit do. and one of them na the reciprocal of a function. Special kind of function so we fit do, and one of them are the reciprocal of a function. The reciprocal of a function. Now for the reciprocal of a function, wetin we dey try to talk? That one na something wey dey like this. The reciprocal of a function na something wey dey like this. Where this one, you go just write am as 1 of f of x. This one now, na im we dey mean. So if you look now, this last answer dem wey we get, e dey like that. One dey up, this other side na function. If we get say our f of x na x minus 3, the reciprocal of this function na simply 1 all over f of x will be 1 all over x minus 3. So na so e be. So the reciprocal of these ones dem dey also very simple. Now may I give you one. If g of x is equal to 2x plus 5, find the reciprocal of this function. The reciprocal, if you say now, find the reciprocal of this of g of x, the reciprocal of g of x. If you want to find the reciprocal, it's just simply 1 all over g of x, and which is the same thing as 1 all over 2x plus 5. Na so e be. So you see say this one sef dey very simple. Now another thing wey I would like to do na scalars. Cases wey scalars dey attached to the functions. Where the scalars wey we dey talk about na number dem wey dey inside the real number set. Cases wey scalars dey attached to the number, to the functions dem. Make we consider some example. All those ones na special cases. All those ones na special cases. Now see wetin I dey mean. If we get make we consider alpha here and beta here as scalars, where we say these scalars wey they are members of the real number set. They are members of the real number set. If we talk like that, then meaning that we can do some mathematics. We can do some mathematics using the scalar by taking the scalar multiplication of the function. By taking the scalar multiplication of the function. Now, how I dey be? If we get this one as scalar, say we fit write this. Where these ones dem wey dey na numbers. If you get things like that, yes, we say this one you fit still write as this f of x as we know plus beta g of x as we know. See this one wey dey. You see say that one now dey very straightforward, and e resemble the ones dem wey we don do by taking the linear combination. By taking the linear combination of wetin we don do. Now I don say these things dem wey dey na number wey be real, wey dey inside the real number set. Now make we give a small example. Make we give a small example. Before I give the example, if I don say I get interest in h minus beta of f, all of x. This one is the same thing as alpha of h of x minus beta f of x. Now, so it be. Now, if we get some function, see the function we will get, f of x is equal to 2x raised to the power 2 plus minus 3x plus 1. And we get h of x equal to x3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 5. And we get g of x as x squared plus 2. Then, we fit do something like this, make us give you. Now, if we get 3f plus, or say find 3f plus 2g all of x, where our f, g, and h are up there. Then this one say we find 2h minus 3f all of x. So this one now, you see say, here now our alpha don't become 3. Our beta here don't become 2. Here our alpha become 2 and our beta here now 3. But we know the f, h, and g for the up. So what we can do? We don't say this one, say it did the same thing as 3 f of x plus 2g of x. That's what we talk. Now, if not true, then we just take 3, use multiply f of x. F of x now 2x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 plus 2g of x plus 2g of x plus 2g of x plus 2g of x now x squared plus 2. So if you open the bracket up, you go see say this times this will give you 6x squared. This times this will give you minus 9x. This times this will give you plus 3. This times this will come give you plus 2x plus 4. Now so this will come be. Now if you collect like terms, you go come see say here 2 not this one there, so you just see x squared. For that of x, this one there, but here now minus 9. So if you do and you get minus 7x. This and this are constants, and the answer will be plus 7. So if we do this thing, now so it be. Now the simple thing we do now, that the same procedure we don't do. Only say number then they for front we go use, multiply the function, then open the bracket. Maybe we do similar case for here. If we won't try this one, meaning that if we won't try that one, meaning that we get 2 of make I write am out. 2 of h minus 3 of f all of x. Say the thing is the same thing as 2 of h of x minus 3 of f of x. And you have 2 into h of x is x cubed plus x raised over 2 minus 5 for this place. Then minus 3 into f of x now 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now we get. Now if you open the brackets, this time this will give you 2x raised over 3. This time this will give you plus 2x raised over 2. This time this will give you minus 10. This time this will give you minus 6x squared. This time this will give you plus 9x. This time this will give you minus 3. Now, what you can do now, just collection of like terms. Now, the highest power here now, this one, then this and this. Here is 2, here is minus 6. So it will be minus 4x squared. Here, 9 day, but now plus. Then the other one are constant. So you say minus 13. So when you do this one, this thing, now will be the answer where you will get. Now this thing you should also do for the cases where you get up to 3 functions, 4 functions as the case may be. You should even add scalar for that of the division. Now still the same procedure. Now so the thing be. So for this class now, so for this one now, what we want to do, for this one now, what we don't learn so far. What we don't learn so far. Okay, this one times this. Now 2x now come right. Hey. This one now 2x squared. This one now 2x squared. So if now 2x squared, then this and this will be 8. Sorry. This and this will be 8. This and this will be 8. This one, now only 9 day for year. This one now only 9 day for year. Then this and this now 7. Now so it will be. I will not put the square for here. So all the things we don't learn now, the thing we don't learn. And I know say we don't achieve plenty things. We will try to bang break for here. Waiting we don't learn for this class now. Now how to add, subtract, multiply, and to divide functions. We don't even consider some special cases where we looked at the reciprocal and considering the scalar multiplication where we consider some linear combinations. And we see say all of them they simple. For our next class, we will try to talk about other things like piecewise functions. Make we get more understanding for this thing where we talk calculus. Thank you and God bless you. We will see another time.